Good evening, class 9, subject optional maths, PLE model, part 3. There are some short questions, long questions, and very short questions. Number 1A, define relation. Number B, if Tn equal minus 1 to the power n plus 1, find T3. See, relation actually in Nepali sambandha. Now, without wasting time, I am going to write down relation. Or relation is the subset of the Cartesian product of A cross B. The Cartesian product of A cross B is called the subset. So, or relation is the subset of the Cartesian product of A cross B. In the same way, function. A function is a special type of relationship. But here, all relations are not functions. All relations are not functions, but all functions are relations. Another B number, if given condition Tn equal minus 1 to the power n plus 1, to find T1, first term put n equal 1, but T3, to find T3, put n equal 3, we get T3 equal minus 1, 3 plus 1, minus 1 to the power 4. See, minus to the power 4, even power positive or power negative. Remember, odd power negative and even power positive. Remember, power. So, minus 1 to the power 4 equal 1, minus 1 to the power 5, minus 1. So, another question is also there. Question number 2A, set notation form. Or what do you mean by x tends to minus 7 in the mathematical notation? Write in the mathematical notation. What do you mean by x arrow minus 7? It means x tends to minus 7 means x tends to or approaches to minus 7. But x is not exactly 7. X को value 37 होइन, very near to minus 7. Minus 7 को धेरै धेरै नजिक. Another question is also there. What do you in B? What do you mean by M, C, alpha and P in the following equations? What do you mean by M, C, alpha and P? What do they represent? I am going to write down the equation. See, the equations are as follows. Y equal mx plus c. In y equal mx plus c, what do m and c represent? M र c ले के represent गर्ला नि त? MC. Here m denotes the slope and c denotes the y-intercept. In y equal mx plus c, it is the slope-intercept form. xy point, m slope, c y-intercept, just like this. 0 c, y-intercept, slope is m. In x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal p, when you put the values, you can easily find out the relationship. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal p. In x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal p, alpha is the, see, alpha is the angle made by the perpendicular to the positive x-axis. Perpendicularly x-axis सँग बनाएको angle alpha. And another p is the length of the perpendicular drawn from the origin. Here origin means 0, 0 to the line. So P for perpendicular, alpha for angle, P for perpendicular. Another question number 2. In question number 3, perpendicular form. Question number 3, find the equation of the line if p equal 3 units and alpha equal say 120 degree. P for perpendicular and alpha for 120 degree. Alpha 120 degree when? Second quadrant. Alpha angle made by the perpendicular with the x-axis P. We know, and also prove that the line passes through a certain point. The certain point will be written later on. First of all, find the equation of the line. See, P equal 3 units, alpha equal 120 degree. We know x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal P. This is the perpendicular form. Or x cos 120 degree plus y sin 120 degree equal P is 3. Value of P is 3. Or x cos 120 degree minus half y sin 120 degree root 3 by 2 equal 3. Put the values of alpha and P. Now take LCM. 2 LCM minus x plus root 3y equal 3, or minus x plus root 3y equal 6. Minus x plus root 3y equal 6. Or minus x plus root 3y minus 6 equals 0. Changing sign, or x minus root 3y plus 6 equals 0. Then if you put the value of y equal root 3, suppose y को value root 3 राख्ने भए इसको line के हुन्छ. Suppose put y equal root 3, so that x minus 3 plus 6 equals 0. Then x plus 3 equals 0, minus 3 and root 3. Prove that What to prove? Prove that it passes through -3 and √3. दिस लाइन, यो लाइन चाहिँ -3 र √3 बाट पनि पास हुन्छ भनेर प्रुभ गर्नु। हाउ टु प्रुभ इट? इन लोकस, हाउ टु प्रुभ? पुट x equal, in this case this is x, y, put x equal -3, y equal √3, we get x -3 minus √3, y is also √3 plus 6 equal 0, or -3 minus √3 into √3 is 3 plus 6 equal 0, or -6 plus 6 equal 0, or 0 equal 0, 0 equal 0, which is true. Which is true. It means this line passes through the point -3, 3. So the line x minus √3 y plus 6 equals 0 passes through -3 √3 proof. Question ma chai find the equation of the line bhanyo bhane x minus √3 y plus 6 equals 0. That's correct. This is the answer. And find out the equation and also prove that this line passes through -3 √3 bhanyo bhane put x equal -3 and y equal √3 and you will get -3 minus √3 into √3 plus 6 equal 0, or 0 equal 0. It means the point -√3 and 3 √3 -3 and √3 satisfy the equation. यसले x को भ्यालु र y को भ्यालु राख्दा लेफ्ट र राइट साइड इक्वल आउँछ. सो द लाइन x minus √3 y plus 6 equals 0 passes through the point -3 √3 proved. Some other questions are also there. Here, question number 6a. Relation and function. What preimage of the function fx equal 4x plus 5 upon x plus 2 has image 3. What do you mean by this? What preimage of the function fx equal 4x plus 5 by x plus 2 has image 3? यसको इमेज 3 हुनको लागि प्री इमेज कति हुनुपर्छ? Solution. The function is fx or y equal 4x plus 5 by x plus 2. What is given? Image is given. Image range codomain. Image is y equal 3. Pre-image x equal what? Pre-image means domain equal what? This is domain x what? Codomain or image or range equal 3. Range 3 छ, fx को value 3 छ भने x को value कति हुनु पर्ला? Put y equal 3. Therefore 3 equal 4x plus 5 upon x plus 2. You have to find the value of x. X को value निकाल्दा cross multiply 4x plus 5 equal 3 into x 3x 3 into 2 6. यसरी गर्ने 4x plus 5 equal 3x plus 6 or 4x minus 3x equal 6 minus 5 or x equal 1 answer. The pre-image is, so the pre-image is x. X equal 1. यहाँ x को value 1 भयो भने 3 आउँछ आउँदैन. 4 1 जा 4 plus 5 9. 9 by 3 3. Correct. If you put x equal 1, you will get fx equal 3. If fx equal 3 means y equal 3, find the value of x. Question number 6a. B. What should be subtracted from, here I am writing questions, 4x square plus 12x plus 9 to get the result. The result is 5x square plus 3x minus 6. Simple question. 6 बाट कति घटायो भने 4 हुन्छ. What should be subtracted from 6 to get 4? 6 बाट कुन नम्बर घटायो भने 4 हुन्छ भन्नाले 6 बाट 4 निकाल्ने what number यता जान्छ 2 equal what? That means 2 should be subtracted. यसबाट के घटायो भने यो आउँछ भन्नाले यसबाट यो घटाउँदा जति आउँछ त्यही नै आन्सर हुन्छ. But without showing the process, what is given? The required expression equal 4x square plus 12x plus 9 minus 5x square plus 5x minus 6. यसबाट के घटायो भने आउँछ? Is this correct? No. What should be done? Minus. Remember, minus. Why? यसबाट यो पुरा घटाउँदा जति आउँछ त्यही घटायो भने यो एक्सप्रेसन आउँछ. So from 4x square plus 12x plus 9 subtract the result. 4x square plus 12x plus 9 minus 5x square minus 3x plus 6. Then this minus this minus x square plus 9x plus 15. This is the required expression. अब यो बाट यो घटाउँदा यति आउँछ त 4x square minus becomes plus आउँछ 12x minus 9x 3x 9 minus 15 minus 6. You can get the result. What should be subtracted from this to get this one? You have to subtract the result from the given expression. Polynomial. Short questions can also be asked in polynomial. What is polynomial? What is remainder theorem? What is factor theorem? Etc. Can also be asked. Question number C. 6C. If Sn equal n plus 1 twice n plus 1 upon 6, find S2 and S3. Sn equal n into n plus 1 into twice n plus 1 upon 6 square form. Or like 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Solution given. This is given. To find S2, putting n equal 2 and 3 successively. If you put S equal 2, second, sum of the terms for n equal 2. If S2, find S2, put n equal 2, 2 plus 1, 2 into 2 plus 1 by 6. Then what is the result? 2 into 2 plus 1, 3, 2 into 2 4 plus 1 by 6. 2 into 3 into 5 by 6 got 5 answer. Like 1 square plus 2 square duita. And S3, put n equal 3. 3 plus 1, 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 6. Directly 3 into 4 into 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7. 6. 3 2 2 7 is 14. Like check 1 square 2 square 3 square 1 plus 4 plus 9 14 is correct. This is the formula to find the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. So because 1 square 2 square 3 square 4 square sum निकाल्ने formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. 6C question number. Put n equal to, find. When n equal to, S2 equal 5. When n equal 3, S3 equal 14. Therefore, S2 equal 5 and S3 equal 14. Sum of 2 terms, sum of 3 terms. And if you how to find T3? S3 minus S2. T3 निकाल्नु पर्यो भने S3 minus S2 हुन्छ. Remember to find T3. Another question number 6. Question number 6D. But actually there is no 6D in your PLE model. PL मा 60 भनेर नआउन पनि सक्छ. तर यहाँ चाहिँ त्यो to know more about series and sequence, you have to learn some more formulae. See, write the formulae to find the nth terms of n, AP and GP. Arithmetic progression, AP for arithmetic progression, GP for geometric progression. Now, dear students, class 9 means you are just preparing for class 10 next year SE. Class 9 को विद्यार्थी भनेको अब केही समयपछि 1 महिनापछि class 10 पढ्दै गइरहेको छ. You are going to study class 10 for AP. For arithmetic progression, what is the formula to find the nth term? Tn equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Where Tn nth term, a first term, n number of terms, d common difference. Again, a first term, n number of terms, d common difference. For GP, geometric progression, Tn equal a r n to the power n minus 1, where Tn nth term, a first term, r common ratio and n for number of terms. कतिवटा number of terms छ त्यो लेख्नु. Another question is also there. Here I am not going to solve, but I give you hints. For coordinate geometry को लागि collinear को लागि, for what value of k are the points? The points are given as follows: k, 2 minus 2k first point. Another point 1 minus k and 2k, and third point minus 4 minus k and 6 minus 2k are collinear. k को value कति भयो भने first point, second point and the 3 points are collinear. See, For the point to be collinear, what should be done? Triangle ABC equals 0. Hint, it is not complete solution. Please, you have to solve the problem yourself. Suppose it is A, it is B, and suppose it is C. A, B, C. A, K2 minus 2K, B 1 minus K 2K, and C minus 4 minus K 6 minus 2K are collinear. If they are collinear, if the points are collinear, what is the area of the triangle formed? Therefore, triangle ABC equals 0 because they are collinear. Or I just give you hint and write half. पहिला हाफ लेख्नु एक्स ए को कोअर्डिनेट भर्टिकल बनेको कोअर्डिनेट के 2 minus 2k के 2 minus 2k b 1 minus k 2k c minus 4 minus k and 6 minus 2k and first point is k 2 minus 2k is repeated 0. अब यसलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा यसरी मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने this into this minus this into this. I just write one step only and you can do it. This into this x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x1 y1 repeat right left up देखि right down सम्म यसरी plus minus यो into यो k into 2k minus 2 minus 2k into 1 minus k plus 1 minus k 6 minus 2k minus पहले यो minus लेख्ने 2k minus 4 minus k plus यसले गर्दा minus 4 minus k into 2 minus 2k minus your into 6 minus 2k into k equals 0. Please, you can try yourself. Let's try yourself. यसले मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने माइनस त्यति राख्ने यसले यसलाई जनरल मल्टिप्लाई जस्ट लाइक algebra. Simple multiplication. It becomes long, easy but long. You can try it yourself. Another question is also there. Question number 10a. Vector. What do you mean by vector? Vector, Greek language, carry. Vector means carry. Vectors of diseases means carriers of diseases. Vector means carry. Question number 10a is this. Find a unit vector which displaces a minus 3 4 to b minus 6 8. Find a unit vector which displaces a to b. Solution. A लाई b सम्म पुर्याउने भेक्टर भनेपछि a minus 3 4 and b minus 6 8 यसरी लेख्ने. अब यसलाई के गर्नु पर्यो? फर्स्ट पोइन्ट a x1 y1 equal minus 3 4. First point, just like in coordinate geometry, x1 y1 x2 y2. Second point, x2 y2 equal minus 6 8. To find the vector, first of all find vector. Therefore vector AB is by definition x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1. x2 minus x1. See, x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1. equal minus 6 plus 3, 4. It means minus 3, 4. So minus 3, 4 is the vector which displaces minus 3, 4 to minus 6, 8. Then what to do? AB ko value. To find the unit vector, you have to find the modulus. What is the modulus of this? X component. X component whole square plus y component whole square. You can find, I show the process. Minus 3 whole square 9, 16, add 25, 5. So modulus AB equal 5. What is the unit vector? Now I am going to write down unit vector. To find the direction y component by x component. What is the unit vector? AB equal minus 3, 4 and modulus AB equal 5. See, first x1, y1, x2, y2. Find vector AB, x2 minus x1, comma, y2 minus y1. It is x1, y1, x2, y2. Put the values, simplify, minus 3, 4. AB, under root x component whole square plus y component whole square, that is 5. What is the unit vector? Now I am going to find out the unit vector along AB. Minus 3, 4 and 5. Remember, unit vector along vector AB is, how to note unit vector? This, say, AB cap. AB cap is mathematically equal, by definition, vector AB by modulus AB. There is difference. AB means vector and modulus AB value, magnitude. Modulus means magnitude. Minus 3, 4, 5. How to write down? Minus 3 by 5 or comma 4 by 5. This is the unit vector along AB. Another which is related to vector is, first of all find vector AB, then find magnitude of modulus, then unit vector along AB equal AB cap equal vector AB by modulus AB, determinant AB. Minus 3, 4 by 5. Minus 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Its value is 1 unit. Another question, vector question. I am going to write down question number 10B. First, let me write down the question. Here, OA equal A. In the figure, OB equal B and vector AC equal 3 times vector AB. Find AC equal, find OC. Find vector OC. कसरी निकाल्यो होला? Given condition O in the figure, OA equal vector A, vector OB equal B, AC, vector AC equal 3 times vector AB. Find OC. OC निकाल्नलाई it is better to either OC equal OA plus AC. That is also correct. There are two ways. See, solution. Sometimes this is given. Easier. Given condition बाटै लिँदाखेरि हामीलाई के हुन्छ, सजिलो हुन्छ. के गर्ने के नगर्ने भनेर. Given is AC equal 3 times AB. This is given. Now apply the triangle law. AC equal 3. See, AC equal 3 times AB given. See, but AC can also be written as AO plus OC. What? AO plus OC. 3. AB can be written as AO plus OB. Triangle law of vector addition in two triangles, AOC and AOB. Use triangle law in two triangles. Or AO can be written as minus OA plus OC is OC, 3 is 3, AO, value of AO is not given, but value of OA is given. So AO is minus OA plus OB is B. AO and OA are equal and opposite. So AO minus OA minus A plus OC, 3 minus A plus vector B, or remove the bracket, minus A plus OC equal minus 3A plus 3B, or OC equal, OC यता लेख्ने, यसलाई उता लाने, vector A minus 3A plus 3B, or therefore vector OC equal, यसलाई यो अगाडि पनि ल्याउन मिल्छ, minus 2A plus 3B, minus twice A plus 3B answer. Or you can also write 3B minus 2A, vector 3B minus vector 2A. That is also correct. Either you can take from the given condition AC equal thrice AB, but AC भनेको AO plus OC, AB भनेको AO plus OB, AO minus OA, OB B, AO minus OA, OC unknown, OAA, OC, OAA, remove the bracket, find the value of OC in terms of A and B. Question number 10B. Another question which you can solve yourself. I am writing a question related to trigonometry. See, one is question number 17. This one, prove that tan 90 degree plus theta. First let me write down the question. Sec it may be sometimes you may be confused, cos or cot, tan 90 degree plus theta into sec 270 degree minus theta sin minus theta upon cos 180 degree plus theta into cos minus theta equal sec theta into cosec theta. Left hand side, write down the question. This is the rule. Tan 90 degree plus theta into sec 270 degree minus theta into sin minus theta upon cos 180 degree plus theta into cos minus theta. First let me see. First quadrant all positive, second quadrant sin and cosec positive, third quadrant tan cot, and fourth quadrant cos and sec positive. So tan 90 degree plus theta, second quadrant 90 coefficient E orgo, tan 90 degree plus theta minus cot theta, sec 270 minus theta, 1 into 90, 2 into 90, 3 into 90, 270 minus theta, third quadrant T, tan cot positive, sec is negative, sec negative minus लेख्ने, 3 into 90, 90 को कोएफिशिएंट और भयो sec को cosec theta into sin minus A is minus sin A. This is the formula. Only cos and sec positive, others negative. Cos 180 degree plus theta, 2 into 90 plus theta. Third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan cot positive, cos is negative, cos negative or minus लेख्ने 90 coefficient even, so cos is cos minus theta is cos theta formula. Then what can you cut? Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Math is saying minus minus plus, plus minus minus. Cut भनेको cos theta upon sin theta into cosec theta 1 by sin theta into sin theta. Sin cancel your sign. Minus cos square theta. So what can be done? What can you do? Minus or minus also cos. You cos by sin. अब यसलाई लेख्दा cos theta upon sin theta into यो छ denominator cos by 1 भनेपछि 1 by cos square theta. Now can you cancel? Yes, of course you can cancel. Cos theta equal 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. By reciprocal, 1 by sin is cosec theta, 1 by cos sec theta, right hand side. You can write cosec theta into sec theta and sec theta into cosec theta. Multiplication is associative. Like A into B, B into A. So you can even write cosec into sec, sec into cosec theta, RHS proved. Left hand side, tan 90 degree plus theta, 90 plus theta, second quadrant minus cot theta, sec 270 minus theta, minus cosec theta, sin minus theta, minus sin theta, cos 180 plus theta, 180 र 360 मा सेम, even power same, even coefficient same, odd coefficient like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 भयो भने tan cot tan, sec cosec को sec, sin cos sin. For even coefficients of 90 degree like 2 into 90, 4 into 90, 6 into 90, 8 into 90 or 180 plus theta minus theta, 360 plus theta minus theta, the ratio becomes same. Ratio same हुन्छ. त्यसैले cos 180 plus theta minus cos theta, cos minus theta cos theta, not minus theta. Sin all are negative but cos and sec are positive, like cos minus theta cos theta, sec minus theta sec theta. Now cos by sin, cosec 1 by sin, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. तलको minus cos change cosec 1 by sin, cos by sin upon cos square, means cos upon sin numerator divide by cos square theta by 1 means 1 by cos square theta, cot 1 by sin cosec, sin cos, 1 by sin cosec, 1 by cos sec. So sec theta into cosec theta RHS proved. Question number 17. Another question number 17 is also there. Sorry. Instead of solving same question number in different way, I am writing question number 18. Prove that sin B minus C upon cos B cos C plus sin C minus A by cos C cos A plus sin A minus B upon cos A cos B equals 0. For class 10, you can take LCM and you can use sin A cos B to sin A cos B. But for class 9 को लागि चाहिँ हामीले compound angle formula use गर्नु राम्रो हुन्छ. So for class 9, write down left hand sides. पुरै लेख्ने sin B minus E, write down as it is. see left hand side sin b minus c upon cos b cos a plus sin c minus a upon cos c cos a plus sin a minus b upon cos a cos b. What to do? Sin b minus c is sin b cos c minus cos b sin c. Just like sin a minus b, because sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Same cos b cos c plus sin c minus a, ela a ela b भने a b sin c cos a minus cos c sin a upon cos c cos a plus sin a minus b sin a cos b minus cos a sin b upon cos a cos b. Here please you have to see properly. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b minus cos a sin b. Now separate गर्दा sin b cos c upon cos b cos c minus यो cos b sin c upon cos b cos c plus separate sin c cos a upon cos c cos a दुईको यो दुई minus cos c sin a upon cos c cos a plus last expression sin a cos b upon cos a cos b minus cos a sin b upon cos a cos b. First of all, write the formula of sin b minus c, sin c minus a, and sin a minus b. That is sin a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Use accordingly. Now separate. Like separate garni. Now cut. Cos cancel, cos b cancel. Here cos a cancel, cos a cancel. Like term cos b, cos a cancel. Now sin b by cos b is tan b minus sin c by cos c tan c plus sin c by tan c sin a by cos a tan a plus sin a by cos a tan a minus sin b by cos b tan b plus minus tan b plus tan b minus tan b minus tan c plus tan c all cancel 0 right hand side proved. So you can prove. First of all, use the formula sin a minus b, compound angle formula, separate, cancel like term, and use sin by cos equal tan. There are 6 terms, all cancel, plus minus, plus tan a minus tan a, plus tan b minus tan b, plus tan c and minus tan c, all cancel, and the result is 0 proved. In this way you can prove. There is one theorem, vector theorem, question number 24, last for today, question number 24. That is, first of all, let me write down the question. Question number 24, vector main diagonal O. The given condition is, what is the given condition? A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. Means AB equal ED, BC equal FE, and CD equal AF. First equal fourth, second equal fifth, and third equal sixth side. A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. The question is as follows. Prove vectorially that vector AB plus vector AC, AB plus AC plus AD plus AE plus AF equal 6 times AO or 3 times AD. कसरी प्रुभ गर्ने होला? See, how to prove? Think. Left hand side, this is the given condition, so this is the given question, and solution of this is A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. To prove is that left hand side equal vector AB plus vector AC plus vector AD plus vector AE plus vector AF. Then what is the best way to prove it? 6AO. You can prove AB, AC equal AB plus BC, but it becomes lengthy. So AB value AO plus OB using triangle law. AO plus OB first one. AC value AO plus OC. AO plus OC. AD value twice AO. Because AD is 2 times AO. ABCO is a parallelogram. In the same way, BCDO is also a parallelogram. In the same way, ABOF is parallelogram. AOEF parallelogram. DEFO parallelogram. EOCD is also a parallelogram. Many parallelograms are there. AD 2 times. AE is the AE value. AO plus OE. AO plus OE. AF last. AO plus OF. AO plus OF. What is the reason? Using triangle law in different triangle law. Figure out the AB value AO plus OB, AC AO plus OC, AD 2 times AO, AE AO plus OE, AF value AO plus OF using triangle law in different triangles. AO 1 AO 2 to 4 5 6. 6 AO is there plus बाकी OB and OE equal and opposite, like Newton's third opposite. OB भएपछि OB लेख्ने. What is the equivalent opposite of OB? OB को equivalent opposite चाहिँ OE हो. OB त्यसपछि OE यो लेख्ने OE plus AO OC. What is equivalent opposite of OC? OC opposite is OF. यसको OF plus OF. OE कति रहेछ हेर्नु त. OB 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 मध्ये 1 2 3 4 5 5 रे लेख्यौ. How many are left? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 मध्ये OB OE OB पछि OE, AO, OC, then OC opposite, OF, nothing is left. 6AO plus OB plus OE 0, OC plus OF 0 equal 6AO, right hand side proved. The reason is OB plus OE 0 because OB and OE are equal and opposite. You have to write here reason OB, vector OB and vector OE, comma, the same way OC and OF. OB, OE, OC, OF are equal and opposite. Equal in value but opposite in sign. So they cancel. So 6AO RHS proved. कसरी रे AB AO plus OB, AC AO plus OC, AD 2AO, AE AO plus OE, AF AO plus OF using the triangle law in different triangles. AO 6AO arrange the remaining in such a way that they cancel OB and OE, OC and OF. Cancel each other. In the same way, AO and DO are equal and opposite. In the same way, OE and OB, OC and OF are equal and opposite, which cancel each other, and the result is 6 times vector AO right hand side proved. This much for today.